Welcome to Smartdeer, a project funded by the Department of Agriculture to introduce sustainable long-term data streams for evidence-based management of deer in Ireland. Currently, Ireland has no systematic national monitoring system for our deer species, leaving us unprepared to meet management challenges in a changing world. As deer species can cause ecological, economic and human health impacts, it's important we take action now. We developed a framework for action to rapidly introduce data streams into Irish deer management and collaborate with stakeholders to develop evidence-based management systems using the steps below. First, we identified key stakeholders from a diverse range of sectors and discussed their views on deer management in Ireland, the aims of our project and the benefits of collaboration. We had to adapt due to COVID, but we have developed this network of excited stakeholders ready for change. Then, using our stakeholder network, we tracked down historical deer data that have been collected over the years for a variety of purposes to get a better understanding of how deer ecology has changed over the last 30 years in Ireland. Next comes our new data tools. We developed a web survey to capture key stakeholder and public knowledge on the distribution of deer across the country in rapid fashion. This national mapping survey will be done annually. However, our first campaign, which is live now, will record all deer sightings in Ireland since 2015. Click the link on this slide to visit the survey. Once you click the Start Survey button on the homepage, we will begin collecting some important information. After that, use the mapping tool to zoom into areas you know where deer are and simply click on the areas for each species. With a combined effort, we hope to map the whole country at a 1 by 1 kilometre scale. Now introducing the Smartdeer mobile phone application. This app has a variety of features to collect deer distribution and density data both at home and in the field. If you're a deer stalker, you can now submit your culling returns digitally within our app. This will provide long-term and cheap systematic monitoring for deer in Ireland. Download it now on the Apple and Google Play Store. Our app couldn't be more simple to use. Take the outside feature as an example. Simply click to start the survey, head out and count deer as you see them. Check that you're happy with the data at the end on the summary page and then submit the survey. With all this data, we will begin to unravel the driving factors of deer ecology in Ireland, where they are, what habitat they prefer, and how this has changed over time in the dynamic Irish landscape. We will publish for the first time up-to-date distribution and density maps, and hopefully these can be updated frequently as we collect more data through the new monitoring tools. This information can equip managers to make evidence-based decisions around deer management into the future as a cheap and sustainable data stream. Thanks for watching. We can't wait for you to get involved in the project. All the information you need is on this slide, but if you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Thanks.